What if I was to tell you that 6-7 weeks ago, I started a YouTube channel and it now has, from zero, 5,000 subscribers, over 700,000 views, and is ready to be monetized on YouTube already. So many people have asked me, Alan, is it too late to start a YouTube channel? Alan, how do I pick a topic that I'm really excited about and make sure that there is a future in it? Today we start a mini YouTube series. In this video, it's all about niche, how I started the YouTube channel, how I got it from 0 to 100 subscribers in around about 2 weeks. And in other videos, which will be linked down below as soon as they appear, I will tell you how I get it from 100 to 1,000 subscribers and 1,000 to fully monetized within 2 months. So please hit subscribe to make sure that you watch every single one of these videos. This will be very important for you if you're looking to start and even grow a channel that exists today. Now, before I start peeling back the secret and showing you the channel and all of its stats, I want to fully answer that question. Don't worry, all the juicy bits going to be slightly after. Wait 1 sec. Is it too late to start a channel on YouTube? No. All you need to do is make sure that you have a passion for something that you love and are willing to do the research. This channel here is all about YouTube channel growth. I teach you how to start a YouTube channel, grow a YouTube channel, make a business out of it. This channel will have a much slower growth trajectory than many others because I am so niche. I am an educational channel that solely teaches YouTube wannabes about YouTube growth. Very, very unique, very, very niche. But you can have explosive growth in a trending topic that could explode your channel from 0 to over 5,000 subscribers in 2 months. Now, why did I start a second YouTube channel? Well, every year I learn something new. I deliberately go out of my way to put a little bit more knowledge in my noggin. 3 years ago, it was all about YouTube growth. 2 years ago, it's about growing my business and debt recovery. Last year, it was blogging. And this year, it's cryptocurrency. And that's where the new channel comes in. I am the crypto rookie. And yes, basically, I've deep dived into one of the things that I've really wanted to learn for about 3-4 years now. But here's the edge to my channel. I don't claim to be an expert. I just simply tell people exactly what I'm learning about cryptocurrency as I learn it and react to the very hot topic right now of cryptocurrency. I started the YouTube channel in March, and it is now the middle of May, and after the first couple of weeks of uploading content, it then exploded. The advantage I now have there is that it's a much trendier topic that's all about money and crypto and this new trendy thing that could be in the news and my passion, and I don't necessarily have to directly teach, I just have to document. This gave me a foot in the door, and that helped me on my path towards my first 100 subscribers. So, how do you get your first 100 subscribers in just how many days? 1. Pick your niche. Now, this could be something that's truly inside of you, or if you're smart, it could be something that you love and has potential. If you want a YouTube channel to grow very, very quickly, you need to think of the potential outside of your own head reach of this topic. There are topics out there that are beginning all of the time that can explode hugely. In my case, I chose cryptocurrency for my YouTube channel, which was great because right now there is a cryptocurrency bull market. More and more people get excited, more and more people are jumping in. I can put out constantly updating breaking news and educate people alongside in my travel. I have the advantage there that it's a hot topic right now, that I'm also a rookie, and that constant breaking news allows me the chance to jump on the news cycle, pump up a load of views, gain a load of interested faces, interested people. I have the advantage that I've been making videos on the platform for, I don't know, 8 years on and off for me, my clients, that kind of thing. So I have down pat all of these kind of tricks and tips. So yes, I may have a little bit of advantage, but anybody can have these. So pick your niche, but maybe be smart about it. Have a look at what's trending right now. Maybe you are a huge gaming fan, but there's a new Zelda game out tomorrow. Or you have a look at people like Pokemon Go, who immediately jumped on that game immediately as it was hot and started a YouTube channel, started teaching and playing the game. Those channels, Pokemon Go channels, once again went from 0 to millions in a couple of months. A few examples right now could be starting an entire channel dedicated to a Premier League football team once the Football League season starts. Destiny 2 has just launched its brand new season, but there's a brand new DLC called The Witch Queen in January 2022. That could be a good time to start dedicated content on that. For a huge growth, you need to be thinking of things that is available right now that has potential for constant breaking news. That way you get the trending stuff and then you can pad it out with the evergreen stuff in the middle. I feel gone are the days where you can just hop on and become a vlogger unless you've got some kind of twist. Another example right now could be your whole channel could be dedicated to PlayStation restocking. Every week you hop on and you talk about these places have stock. You can also put up videos immediately as they have stock, and in the evergreen videos slowly over time you can start making game reviews and PlayStation mods. You could dedicate your entire channel to a PlayStation 5 or an Xbox One Series S, whatever they're called these days. Hopefully you get my point. Pick a niche, but not just general. Really have a look at things. You can have a look at things along Google Trends right now, for example, see if the trend line's going up. I know that cryptocurrency right now for my channel will have a lifespan this year until about September, October, November, and then unfortunately, due to crypto, it will crash and then I'll have 2 years of calming down. But during that calming down period, I can make educational content and I would have already gained the audience. If I've gained 5,000 subscribers in 2 months, imagine what I can do by the end of the year, and then I have to just generate content to keep them warm for 2 years. 2, pick a type of video. As I've said previously, I'm deliberately going out my way to make breaking news videos, something that I can pop up. The advantage in my niche is that the type of videos that I can create, the people in that niche already seem to do off-the-cuff video. So the type of video I can do are vloggy little shaky things on my mobile phone that I can upload immediately. People understand that and seem to expect that from that niche, which means when I polish it up a little bit, they're pleasantly surprised. But if I very quickly need to pop out a video now, record a 3 to 5 minute video now to have it online in a minute's time, I can do so. Basically, if people in your space are already creating vloggy type content and you know that it succeeds, then that's the type you know you can make. When it comes to the topic, this is where you need to dig around and realize what you can do. Is there breaking news in your industry? Is there something that you can constantly pop up with? Is there a specific trend in that industry right now? For example, book hauls, unboxings. Maybe you're only talking about Apple M1 products, so you want to talk about every M1 launch that's come out the Apple product range recently. The best way to figure this out is have a look at your other competitors and see what kind of content they do, see which ones does successfully well, or see what style they make, and that way you can emulate them. And of course, you can always use something like VidIQ for video ideas and topics. That's pulled in all of the information from your niche anyway. Now you can use those as jumping off points. I've done a video on that. It's in the iCard somewhere up here. 3, the importance of branding. One of the very first things I did when launching this channel is establish its identity, figure out its brand name. I made sure that I would be able to claim that custom channel URL when I hit 100 subscribers, which is youtube.com/cryptorookie. Once I did that, I then went to a place like People Per Hour and I asked someone professionally to design a little logo for me, which I've then put not only on the banner, but the avatar and in the top left-hand corner of every single one of my thumbnails to build in brand identity. It's also going to be the watermark of those videos. That way everyone understands who the Crypto Rookie is. Ding! The reason that branding is so important is because if you act professionally, then it looks professional and you're going to pull people in. There's nothing more demoralizing when you first upload your videos, you've got 0 subscribers, and then people pile in and you're worried that, oh yeah, but what if they see I've only got 2 or 3 subscribers? Maybe they won't subscribe. If you act professional, if you act like you're supposed to be there, right? Even if you are, in my case, just explaining how much of a rookie you are within the crypto space, people are going to forgive a lot. And as long as you're giving valuable content, they won't care how many subscribers you've got. When was the last time you looked at a channel that you really liked and went, oh, well, he's only got 2 subs, so I won't? Doesn't happen. 4, and here's the strategy bit. I made sure before I even launched that I had 10 videos in the bank to upload straight off the bat before uploading my 11th. Why is this? Well, let's say you come across my channel, my Crypto Rookie channel, you're really excited, you like the new video that I've uploaded about a new cryptocurrency price or some news or some gossip, right? You've watched the video and then you want to go see more of me. but there's nothing to binge. Think of the last time you got into a TV series where you watched something that you really, really loved. You went back and watched the start. You went back and binge watched them all. Especially in current culture, people are so used to binge watching. Or you've only just found a new podcast and oh, they've got 20 old episodes. Now, if your channel's solely based on news, obviously this can be hard. But I made sure that I started with a few evergreen pieces of content, some entertaining things to pull people in, uploaded them all, uploaded them 2 a day, made sure it was quick pace, and then started piling in the fresh new content. This way, people can go back, binge that content, the channel gets a load of watch time from all the fresh new faces, right? That way you've watched 1, then you've watched 10, 11 videos, and then boom, that pushes up the channel. Why? Because YouTube gets to see people come in, interact immediately, quickly. There's no bad statistics from it just never existing before, right? And bang, up it goes. Not to mention the very important thing that I made a YouTube video trailer that goes on my homepage that very quickly explains who I am, what I do, and why I'm there. That will never get explosive growth. That will never get explosive, ta-da, here's a new video, right? But what it does is it sits there like a Trojan horse and slowly introduces people every time they are new to the channel homepage. Hi, I'm Alan, I'm the Crypto Rookie, I'm here to learn with you, blah, 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 blah. I kind of understand the thing I'm talking about. Come and join me on my weird, crazy ride. 5, every time I upload a video, I pin a comment at the top of my video comments, and more often than not, when starting the channel, it's always the subscribe link. The reason for this is that you want to make it as easy as possible for someone to find a way to subscribe to you, and that subscribe link is also an auto-subscribe link. One of those ones where you click on it and it immediately goes, oh, are you sure you want to subscribe? Yes. Rather than it just jumping to your channel homepage. If you want help on knowing how to make a YouTube auto-subscribe link, info in the icon. This also gives a jumping off point. If you've pinned a comment at the start of your video, right at the top, that asks something about the video, it could encourage other people to start communicating in reference to that video. It could be, in this case, what's your favorite crypto coin? Are you holding a specific coin? Or in your case, who's your favorite footballer? Who's your favorite game character? Do you play Destiny 2? Blah, 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 blah. Ask the question that is relevant to the video above, start the conversation, pull people in. And 6, most importantly, once they start replying, reply to every comment. When your channel has only just started, there is no excuse to not reply to every comment. And also bait a reply from your reply. If you have 0 subscribers, if you have anything less than 100 subscribers, less than 100 active subscribers for that matter, you're not going to get many comments anyway. So you might as well treat every single person with the respect they deserve, because they came to find you, a new YouTuber. They've bothered to comment on you, a new YouTuber's videos. So you should be replying. Not only replying, engaging, having a conversation, asking another question. They may reply with, hey, great video. And you can reply, great, what did you like about it? Is there anything you'd do differently? Is there any questions you have? Those kind of questions can then spark a conversation and you can keep going. What that also does is it brings people back. They get used to you. They see that you're human. There's a chance that they build up some kind of connection. Wow, a YouTuber replied to me, subscribe. There is a new metric in the YouTube analytics dashboard, which tracks new users and return users. And the closer those lines are together, the more likely you are to accelerate in growth and get more subscribers. That is why my new channel is getting around about 150, 200 subscribers each and every day when the channel is only 2 months old. A combination of everything above. Trending topic with relevant news, with branding, with thumbnails, channel trailer, engaging content where you are communicating with them. Once you're on your road to your first 100 subscribers, you hit that huge euphoric moment, you can go out and start creating more content to push you towards 1,000 subscribers, unlocking live streaming and your community tab, all of which I did within around about 4 to 6 weeks. Watch this video here and I'll show you how you can go from 100 to 1,000 subscribers. Hit subscribe so you don't miss these videos as they come out, and I'll see you soon.